friends! In this video I'm going to be reviewing the Calligraphy Dream Pen for hand lettering. This brush pen is a dual tip brush pen, but it actually has a brush tip on either side. So sometimes when you get a dual brush pen, it has a brush on one side and a bullet tip on the other, but this one is just two different brush tips. As you can see, one of them I think is called the larger size, but the other side also does create some kind of larger lettering. It's just a very skinny brush tip. That side is pretty unique, and to me it's kind of similar to that Sharpie brush marker. I don't think they're identical though, but I will leave a link in the description box below if you want to look at that one. One thing about this brush pen pack is that the colors are really beautiful. They have some unique colors, it's not just primary color, and so that's definitely something that I like about this brush pen pack. I'm swatching the ones that I still have. I'm not sure that I have all of them here because I've had these for a bit of time, and when I grabbed this lilac color, I actually noticed that there was something all over the brush tip, which oddly enough I think is the same color that this happened to me with her smaller size brush pens, and there was just something all around it. So I thought I would show you that because number one, I just noticed it when I was filming, and also because in that video a lot of people commented and said what it could be, and I don't remember off the top of my head, but I will leave a link in the description box below with a timestamp for that video so you can go back and see, because I think it was the exact same color, like a light purple. So I don't know if there's something about that color or pigment that they use that it just kind of creates whatever it was around the brush pen. But either way, I just kind of wiped it off and still lettered with the brush pen. So let me know if you've had that happen to you before. But I did just letter with it for this video, and I probably will throw that one away eventually. But let me know what you think. As you can see with the alphabet and even a little bit with the basic strokes earlier, the lettering is really similar size between the two, but the first one does seem to be a little bit more vibrant, so I don't know if that's just that it puts out a little bit more color when you're lettering. Either way, it's kind of a nice option to have both. I do think that this smaller skinny brush pen is kind of hard to letter with. If you are somebody who doesn't feel super comfortable with controlling a really bouncy brush pen, then I think this one might be a struggle for you. One other thing that I struggled with about these brush pens when I first got them is that they were really expensive. I don't know if they've gotten cheaper over time. I did get them when they first came out and they were a little bit harder to find. So if you could find these with a coupon, or if you could find these on sale, then I definitely think they might be a great option, but I do think they're pretty expensive for what you get. So unless you are somebody who just really wants that bouncy brush pen, or if you really love the colors, then this might be a good option for you. As you can see, they are not water resistant and they are blendable, so I'll show you some blending with these. And again, I'll leave a link for the pen haul where I got these, where I showed some more lettering with them. And I will leave the timestamp as well, so you can hop to that part of the video if you'd like. If you want to see more brush pen reviews, I will leave a link for my playlist for my pen a day challenge, where I'm reviewing at least 31 different brush pens for hand lettering. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.